10. How could you? 100-pound cannon explodes within me, shredding my soul. I'm vaporized, reduced to dust and ashes. My essence escapes, soaring to the heavenly realm. From above, I witness Curie's fragmentation. A 13-year-old lost to darkness in the maze of his shattered childhood. Shame sears his cheeks, his lip trembling. His eyes remain downcast, his heart pounding in his throat. He fidgets desperately, trying to escape the darkness. The bedroom air crackles with tension, heavy with the explosive weight of secrets. His words incinerate my soul. Sexually molested, betrayed, scarred. 8 years of silent suffering under my roof. The ultimate betrayal. I'm petrified, trapped in a nightmare, unable to move, breathe, or escape. I re-enter my body. Our gazes meet. His pain pierces mine. I feel his fear, shame, and helplessness. His wounds bleed into mine. It's too much to bear. I close my eyes and die.